Welcome back. It's fun time.
Right, welcome back to KeeksPulls Regionals Edition. We both have our 5-pack entry. We're gonna go ahead and open these to see what we pull. Let's go ahead and open these up, Super. Let's do it. My side and your side. What can we pull? Star Strike, Curse of the Ancient, Volcaron, the Rise Phoenix, don't know, Rack Meltdown, High Speed Glider, Mitsurugi Players, Primate Scream. Oh, I lost some Mitsurugis. Oh, you already got Argo Star. Cool. One Argo Star card. Oh yeah, I want to run that deck. I'm gonna probably combine that with UAs. Sinful Spores of the White Forest. Yeah, here Arcana Force. Keystone Cluster. Mitsurugi. Face card. Face card. Face card. What? Dude, that's the thumbnail, dude. Look at that. Face card. Still got it. I pulled it. You saw it here? Mm-hmm. You know, I did. Karibos! This should have been a built-in multiply. Mm-hmm. Like, summon it, add multiply to your hand. Yeah. What? Should have been super. Should have been a super. The Howl of the Spirit Tricks.
Yeah, you found that card I pulled though.
Oh, you pulled the other one? Excuse super parties. What? Yeah, because in Master Duel I pulled the Royal Finish. Dude, cool. Weak to Spirit Treats. These are cool cards, man. I like these. I will not sleep. I'll be using them. Toil. Evil Hero Infernal Rider. Streamoid. Templar Skipper. Yeah! We pulled one! I'm so sorry you guys had to see this in KeeksPulls right now. Yep. Hopefully we didn't trigger nobody. The Asmina of the White Forest card. Wow. We have one. That's crazy. We're gonna move her off the screen. Yeah. Just because. Yep. Well, I didn't face anybody with it. But I did face Raziel Mitsurugi. Alright. Play the Diabell. Yes, we got another week of the Spirit Treats. Double Wild. That monster. No one's gonna run that. Heard me say it first. Oh, Mitsurugi, that's a good card. I think this was the negate. There. Alright, last packet. Let's go ahead and see what we pull in this last packet. I already pulled the face card. That's pretty cool. Come on! Keystone Cluster, Arcane Force, DDD Post, Delta, and then Primate Dragon! Primate Dragon with its error text, I most likely believe. Yo, that's pretty good. Maybe. Yo! Primate Dragon Ether Burial. Yo, that's insane. We managed to pull one. That's awesome. Wow. And we pulled Stitch. Haha. That's cool. That's a cool card. I like it. It's Stitch in Yu-Gi-Oh form. Take that little fun. We have a Stitch as well. Okay, well, that has been KeeksPulls. We still got it. We managed to pull a face card, and we managed to pull a meta card right now with Blue Eyes, and I just went against Blue Eyes Primate? Dude, that's hilarious. I channeled Kangas. Thank you, Kangas. So until next time, everybody, keep on doing it.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. Until next time, everybody, go ahead and have an awesome day.